Yeah, hello there. I'm a student of the Forex Business Academy, so I just want to say it's a good place to learn Forex, okay, from the basics down to intermediate to advanced. It's really helpful because I've come across a lot of cuts and through online the Forex Business Academy, which is run by Saad Ali. It's different, okay. They're more detailed, more comprehensive. It has various lessons with various guidelines, okay, starting from trend line channels, pro channels, resistance support, Fibonacci retracement, and a lot more. It's a good place to learn Forex, okay. So I'm a student of Saad Ali, and it's really amazing to be a student to learn from the top Forex trader, a crypto wizard, it's really cool learning from him. And I want to use this opportunity to appreciate him for all he has done, for the strategies and everything he has given us for free without costing a dime. The private student group where we post our lessons and he corrects us for creating time. Okay, it really means a lot. Okay, so to you, Saad Ali, you're a nice guy, you're a wizard. Okay, I appreciate you, and I can't say much because thank you can actually stand out as a token for all you taught us, taught me. I just have to say thank you, okay? Although I know it's a little gratitude, but then thank you so much, okay? It's really nice learning from you, and I hope to learn more from you. Thank you very much, Saad Ali. You're a genius.